Yo, what's the deal, guys? Welcome back to another video. So, I thought we were done with the limo, but what I'm looking at, I don't think we're done with it. Cause look, what the hell is even going on, brother?
Kids, don't try this at home.
What are you guys doing?
We're trying to get ready to go get some tans, cause you know I gotta.
It's a little nice and hot today, huh? So it's lunch break,
So
and I think
the last days of the summer, and we're trying to end the summer right.
yes, sir. You know we had to do it with the convertible drop top, the convertible limo. But I think that tarp is too big, huh? We're gonna double it.
Double.
All right, so I did get a 16 by 40. I want to go get it real quick. Oh damn, yeah, 16 by 40. So I think they're gonna double lap it.
That's what I was thinking about screwing it to the body.
Look, we still got all the names on here. Hey, look, one and only, look, Care Company, baby, small me out.
Damn, that motherfuckers is ready.
This is long as hell.
How much you think the water bill is gonna go up right here?
I don't even know. I'm not worried. You know why? Because we're stealing the water from the neighbors.
We're stealing the water from the neighbors, guys. And the neighbor's auto. I pay the bill, so it's alright. How many gallons of water you think fit in here? I think at least 50.
50 gallons? Yeah.
At least. Bro, that shit already full. We're gonna see how long it takes. What time is it right now? Let me check. 4:42. We're gonna see how long it takes. Probably like 15, 20 minutes, an hour. We fit at least 20 guys up in there. I think it's gonna take
and
like
20 girls.
An hour, yeah, but the sad thing about it is that it's gonna be really, really cold.
You can't grab it anywhere.
So I think we're gonna have to continue some of this tomorrow too.
It is already a little late.
It's gonna be a hot day tomorrow.
We're just gonna leave it with the pool full, and we're just gonna hop right back in tomorrow. Dirty ass water.
Auto says he's gonna give me $20 if I jump in.
You might as well just stay in there.
Is it cold?
Oh yeah.
This shit looks bad in here, brother.
Not the turbo, bro.
Oh.
It's not full all the way, but it's like almost halfway.
Hey, watch out though. You go over there, Pablo, another corner or something. I think we're about to that, man. Shit right here. Why you get it now? This high, bro.
All right, first one turbo limo with a pool in it. Yeah. Who's next? Who's next?
Hey, driver.
Take him to McDonald's, please. We for sure gotta go in a drive-thru, bro.
Bro, we're not gonna fit in a drive-thru.
We'll make it fit. In and out.
Oh yeah, my friend. I think we should go for a drive now, guys.
It's really cold, but the sun is putting in work.
But I'm ready to roll out. I'm ready to hit Hollywood like this.
Pull up to any
An extra water hose? Yeah, we're gonna take this one. This one reaches like 2 blocks down. I was telling them that we're stealing the water from the neighbor's yard. Oh, we chilling right here.
next to the limo like that.
What's up with you, G?
Is there enough space for me?
Try it out. Allá quedas en la esquinita, mira. Bro, yo andaba flotando sin eso.
Make space for me though. I'm gonna lay down.
This shit is
on
cold, bro.
This shit is cold as shit.
I think with you in here, it's gonna fill up already.
that.
The blunt!
Oh, not with the blunt. All right. Time out. We won't spark this. Then you go. Next clip is gonna be me.
From far, you can't really tell what's going on. You see the tarp, but then, what the hell? Water and a floaty? Where your phone at?
Line them up then.
Go up in there, Chris.
Hey, el que no se meta gay.
Hey. Alright, so look. The door is not opening, bro. Check out the body, bro. All the water has put this shit. Yeah, we can't open it, so we're gonna have to climb in through the window.
Hopefully the chassis don't just go like.
What? Oh, yeah. Oh, 3.
Take a picture?
Yeah, go ahead, bro. They're trying to get the dog and the guy up in there, but they don't want to go up in there. Twin turbo, bro.
Turbo?
Twin turbo, yeah. That's turbo up front. We got a new driver. We got Ian, designated driver, because we want to hang out in the back. Church! What the hell? Hey, this shit does run a little soggy. Jump in there, go. Give me your phone.
Where the fuck my glasses go?
Here. Oh. Get a towel for outside, Chris.
Hey, we go!
Oh! Bro, I don't know if it's gonna drive, but we're gonna give it a try. Let's park one, Dad, right there. It's moving! All right, bro. Oh my God, we have a limo pool.
happened?
Nothing. This was going live. Oh, that shit again! Watch out right there, though. Oh, shit.
Motherfucker, slow down! Hey, slow the fuck down!
I love Cali in the summertime. Yeah.
Hey, we got no brakes! Hey, we got no brakes!
That was a lot of water.
Hey, make a fucking roll! Do you get that?
Everything got wet in there!
What the fuck? Hey! Hey, tell him to make a fucking right. Don't go that way, dick. Fucking listen. Listen, make a right. Why you going to the Compton courthouse? Trying to fucking take us to jail or what?
Fucking let's go! Go straight!
Oiga, esto es un favor.
¡El clavado, métanse en la alberca! ¡Métanse! Bro, everything in there got wet!
Hey, llévalo a tu casa. Llévalo a tu casa. Take us to the
Oh, hold up, hold up! Hold up! You good?
Oh, fuck, eso feo.
Hold up! Bro! I think on the weight! Not.
Motherfucker, wait.
Todo el peso, güey. Aguas.
Guys, we lost so much fucking water.
Oh my.
Hey, who's sandals like that?
That's me. Somewhere here. You have it on. It's over there floating. That's me. Hey, hold on. We're missing one. Hey, hold on. We're missing a sandal.
How did the door open?
Hey, where's my other sandal?
Is that outside? That's mine.
Nah, hold up.
We probably lost it already in the water. Bro, what the fuck just happened?
I lost my sandal.
¿Esto es una hierano? No, hey, huele.
What you got on? I don't none.
I can't jump in.
My sandal flew out or what?
Your sandal flew out. Like, it was right here somewhere. That was our fucking driver.
Where the fuck my sandal go?
Hey, we need more water. Your sandal touching, dog. Make it right.
I don't even know where this.
I told you guys not to get hit the fucking key.
I ain't even tripping.
You didn't warn us, guys, bro. We haven't stayed a foot away from the door. Back to the shop or to the house? We need up at the house. We need more water. Hey, go to my house. You can let the stay.
You're getting pulled over, huh?
Yeah? Getting pulled over.
You turn on the light?
Huh?
You turn on the lights? Nah.
Are the lights on?
Whoa. We're gonna get stuck.
Chill, don't get stuck. Oh my God, go back out. You're gonna get stuck.
Just say you made a wrong turn. Go left. Oh. Oh, they gone. Bro, where the fuck are we? ¿Se quieren meter?
Vamos a decir que aquí vivimos.
¡Lo está siguiendo la chota!
Unos 20 galones. Yeah, you're good.
All right.
Hey, hold up right here. Don't let us have water.
Some water bottles.
Toma para la alberca. ¿En serio? Sí.
Bro, let's get the fuck out of here, bro. Nah, go home. Go to my house.
Let's go to my house.
I don't want to be here, bro.
I don't know no one in here.
Hopefully, cuz not right here
I
waiting.
know. You think we should chill here for a little bit?
No.
Hey, chill, because they're going to be out there.
Nah.
No, they're going to be out there.
Bro, we chilling though. They already know us.
He said he was about to run from the...
Man, I lost a sandal.
Whoa, my phone died. It turned off already.
It died?
Too much water.
Wait.
Wait up.
We good.
Make a right at that street right there. Oh, like, why are you turning? He's a cop behind us.
Oh! Go!
Oh my, you see that, man?
Turn right!
Right here.
No, go make a right. Go, we good. A huevo. Ey, llegaste a tiempo para la alberca.
All right, so we had to come refill.
We need
the
water
limo.
balloons, bro. Serio.
Fuck, la bola D-Max while you at it right there. He wet everything in here, bro. Everything in here got wet. Oh, the fucking
How long do you
things.
think this is going to last?
I don't know.
Not that long, little flow. Bro, we gotta take a nap.
What the fuck? Good thumbnail.
¿Ese era el perro? Hey, get closer. Here. My shit got fucked up. You're gonna have to jump all the way down there. Hey, cumbia. Nah, Luis. All right, new driver, because the last one.
Hey, everybody weigh in.
Wet up.
Everybody wet up.
Bro, it's cold. He's in there with socks, sweats. Bro, what about everything? Right by that. It's cold as hell, bro. Oh, we got a good water. Is it comfy?
Yeah, niggas still hating on my grind, but love ain't crazy. Wait a minute, if it ain't about the money, calm down, let me finish. Hey.
Hey, are we refilling it or that's it for today? I don't know. It got cold, bro.
Yeah, it's fucking freezing. It's a fucking wrap.
Taking it back to old times.
No fucking way.
My sandals right here, brother.
Boy, you just saved yourself 150.
Let's just run it up. Right here. Look at them run it over. Oh yeah, here. Where do you think Otto's went? I don't know, sandal too.
Let's go look for autos now.
Niggas still hating on my grind, with a love ain't crazy. Wait a minute, if it ain't about the money, calm down, let me finish. Hey.